Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. And I had to switch my charts back, man. I thought of trying up something different, maybe changing the colors of the charts would do something to my trading. And to tell you the truth, it kind of threw me off. So I went back to the red and green, the classic green and red chart pattern color. So and yeah. So let me know in the chat, what do y'all think? Y'all like this little layout I have going on? Got the P&L up top. I got my Twitter, or not Twitter, X account down here. Make sure y'all go follow my X account. We're about to catch a trade, y'all. See if they got any news going on. Welcome in, y'all. Welcome in. I'm about to see if we have any news. So check before I even got on. CPI, we already had CPI. Okay. We had the leading index at 8:30. So nothing too major. Nothing too major, y'all. All right. See if we got any zones. I'm about to go ahead and set some zones before this market open. Hey, yo, if y'all do trade futures, let me know in the chat what's y'all strategies. Do y'all use like ICT? Do y'all do supply and demand? I mean, are y'all like CRT traders? What is it like? What's your style? What's your type of trading style? Let me know. Oh yeah, before we get, I gotta say this before we get in. Always remember, y'all, look, gotta spread that word. Romans 8:29 says, I knew everything you would do before you were born, and I still called you. And I'm not finished with you, and you will not be abandoned. So God is letting y'all know. Like I said, y'all got to give y'all some scripture. So God is letting y'all know that he will not abandon you. He knew everything you will do before you were born, and he called you by name. So always got to give thanks to the Lord, and he's always going to be with you. He'll never leave you. Anytime you call on him, he'll always be there. All right. And also, guys, may the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with y'all. The love of God and the fellowship of the Holy Spirit be with all of you guys. I pray for peace over y'all, and I pray for blessings over y'all. So make sure y'all doing the right thing, giving it to the Lord, and spreading that love and that peace. All right. Glory be to the Lord. All right, let's get it, y'all. So I'm about to do some more charting in a few. I'm about to do some charting before this market opens in 10 minutes. All right, see if we got any like obvious zones that I can follow. 40 minutes left into this 1 hour. Let's see what we got. See, we got a little let me call you Siri. I see that we got an imbalance right here. We can feel. CRT level shot down. Retrace back up. See if we can find any I don't know. We might move sideways, because if y'all could tell, we're making a pendant. Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all something. We're making a pendant. I don't know what y'all think. Looking kind of sideways. Are we squeezing out, huh? Look like a squeeze. Possible squeeze to the long. Maybe go and tap into this 1 hour again. I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know. We're gonna see, but we are in a pennant. So we're gonna see. We kind of making a Dorito shape. Creating a Dorito. Swing high, swing low. The kingdom is here. What's up, yo? Swing high, swing low indicators, alligator indicators. Okay, dang, bro. Salute for spreading the word, brother. We all need Jesus. Shout out to the kingdom is here in the chat. Gotta spread that word, spread that love, man. Always. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was contemplating about spreading the word, and I'm kind of fairly new to spreading the word. So just bear with me if I do sound a little choppy, a little You know, a little all over the place with spreading the word. I'm brand new to even spreading it, you know? So shout out to y'all for even listening and, you know, and paying attention. So like I said, y'all, we are in a Dorito shape formation. So we're gonna see if we're gonna break out higher or break out lower. We're gonna see. I mean, the market has been moving sideways. We haven't really made no true direction and see anywhere where we're gonna go. So I'm gonna just set some more zones and try to get an understanding on maybe if I need to do any scalping. But we're gonna see. And also, I don't really use any indicators like talking about. Besides that, I only use like the EMA. The only indicators that I really use is like the EMA or fair value gap. I mean, not fair value gap. VWAP. That's like the only indicators that I typically use. I see that we're bouncing off of 15 minutes, so we might find our way going back down. I might catch a short before this market open. We'll see. Since we're not that really volatile. See, might catch a shorty short. If we continue to respect this zone. See if this I want to see if these buyers will die out so we can start catching some shorts. If these buyers starting to if the buyers start to slow down, I might get in the short for real. Looking at 1 hour one more time. I seen that we couldn't pass this point on a 1 hour. Red candle came down. We came back up, couldn't pass this point. Came back down to gather some more stops. Now we in the supply zone, 15-minute supply. Hopefully these buyers can start slowing down. So I might see if a short can be a possible move for the a quick scalp short. We'll see, y'all. And if not, then shoot, you know. It is. Good morning, DeAndre. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to y'all, man. God bless. Like I said, y'all, make sure, hey, may the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with you all. I pray for peace over y'all. I pray for just blessings upon you and your family. And I pray that you get closer to the Lord and that you find your way closer to him and call on him and lean on him, because he will work miracles in your life. He's all you need, you know. Even though I do this trading stuff, you know, I mean, I love it, and I find myself obsessed with it. And I'm nothing without him, you know. Without the Lord, I can't have this. So I gotta definitely give it to him. And I can't always lean on my own understanding as well. So leaning on my own understanding can mess up my trading. Leaning on my own understanding can find me in the wrong side of the market. So I gotta definitely continue to give it to him. Make sure that I'm not just being selfish and thinking that I know what's gonna happen. So just kind of gotta be patient, you know, pray to him, give thanks to him, and let him know that, hey, if you have any troubles, let him know, and he will direct your path, okay? All right, so from what I'm seeing, we still can push higher. We are coming off the 15-minute supply. Go drop down to a 5-minute. We are making I mean, the wicks are kind of showing slowage in the buy, so we're gonna see. I want to see a break of structure to the short side before I can get into a short. I gotta see a break of structure. That's the only way I will get into a short. And it don't look like we're getting any break of structure. So I'm gonna see. Let's see. We're gonna see. We got 6 minutes until market open. Amen. We got 6 minutes until market open. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay. We're getting some volume. I'm not gonna get into it yet. I might just wait till market open. I'm gonna wait till, you know what? That's the plan. We got 4 more minutes until market open. I'm gonna wait till market open to take this trade. If this might be a possible short. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. I got the whole scripture on the screen. Like I said, we are making a Dorito. Look at this Dorito. Y'all see this Dorito? Let me change the color. I don't like the color that much. Maybe orange. Maybe orange for Dorito. Yeah, we making a Dorito. All right, so we might either gonna break low, we're gonna either break high, but we don't know yet. We're gonna see. I'm guessing. Look, honestly, I'm thinking shorts. My guess is shorts. Take a short off this 15-minute supply zone. That's my guess. Since we are slowing down, look, we are slowing down. Can y'all see that volume is slowing down? Hey yo, you got a nice hammer on the 3 minute time frame. Might fall, come up home. Let's see. You said 3 minute hammer? Hammer. Hey, I like the hammer. Hey, I like the hammer. But I gotta get that breakout. The hammer is a good indication. I like the hammer. It could give some validation. I ain't gonna lie to you. If I see that breakout to the shorts, I'm getting to it. But if I don't see no breakout, I may not get into it. All right, we do got a 5 minute demand zone right here that we possibly can retrace to. So I'll place that right there, just to, just to have our take profit, our TP. Got that 5 minute. Make sure you gotta set your zones. 5 minute. Bam. Bing, bop, bam. All right. We're making some progress. Making some progress. Gotta make some progress. Let me turn this off. Let me see. Give me a second, y'all. I'm just trying to set my screen. Auto lock. All right, let's go. All right, market opens up in 2 more minutes. Are we gonna reject? Let's see. Man, this volume gets so crazy that my computer starts slowing down. What are we doing? Another hammer on the 1 minute. We're gonna see. Are we gonna reject at this 15-minute supply? Or are we gonna pump past it? Telling from the 15-minute, man, we're constantly pushing green. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, y'all. Market opens up in 2 more minutes. Like I said, I'm not gonna take a trade until market opens, so I can really get I don't want to get chopped up into some. And we coming into some stops, man. We coming into all kind of liquidity, so we gotta definitely just be careful, because this can chop sideways too. Let's see. I'm up $39 on my I'm trading the combine right now, by the way. Until I really see some market movement, then I could trade to fund it. Are we in that 15-minute supply zone? If we start building up within that 15-minute, I might go. Let's see. We have 1 more minute, about 30 seconds until market open. 30 seconds. Are we breaking the Dorito? Are we breaking that Dorito? Which I think. Are we breaking that thing? Are we breaking to the highs? Possibly. Possible. We'll see. We will see. I think we're gonna break higher. I don't know. Something's telling me break higher, but we'll see. What wrong with you? What wrong with me? I don't know. I think something is wrong with everybody, with all of us. Shit. I don't know if there's really nothing wrong with me, but shoot, I think we all got problems. All got issues. That's funny. All right, looks like we breaking that 15-minute, y'all. But then, okay, so 30-minute candle just printed. 30-minute candle just printed. Market open. So we're gonna wait a couple of seconds to see. I don't know, y'all might take this long. Well, damn, it took off for me. Let's try a long. Try a one guy. Just a one guy. I just want to see. Just to test the market. Gauge the market. What's good, Deontay? Not much. Just about to see if we gonna catch this trade. I'm thinking long, but shoot, if we continue to break higher, hey, I might just. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Probably got in too early. Yeah, we probably going for this 1 hour. Are we going for this 1 hour? Yeah. Yeah. How's your, and my day is going good. I have no complaints over here. No complaints. My day is going good. Really, really good. Gotta thank God, man. Got to. All right, so we are breaking up higher. We are about to test another key level. So I'm gonna just hold this trade. Put my stop right there. Get into a 5-minute. We are volatile. All right, we're pumping higher, y'all. We're pumping higher. This market wants to go higher. All right, so as I seen, what I saw was the 15-minute get broken into. We broke the Dorito, by the way. So look, I'm gonna show y'all. We broke the Dorito. We broke through the 15-minute supply. We built on top of that supply. Show y'all what I mean. I'm gonna go down to a 5-minute, maybe down to a 3-minute, so y'all can see even 2-minute, 1 minute, and then we built on top of it. Bam. But hold on, we are hitting some key levels, so we gotta be careful over here. This is a strong level. Gotta be careful. A lot of sales. I might get stopped out. I might. We're gonna see. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. I gotta stop putting a trail in. Put a let me put a stop right here. Just for safety. Alright, so we are hitting that 30-minute, which I had before, but we already broke through it. Where we going? Where we going? Computer's laggy. Alright, it filled me out. That is cool with me. I'm cool with that. Alright, so we might retrace back to this 15-minute and bounce. We're gonna see. Let me look at this 30-minute. See, we already hit this 30-minute already. As y'all can see, we hit the 30-minute right here. Rejected, 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 came down. See what happens what we do right here at this moment right here. I just gotta see. Are we gonna retrace back to the lows? Or are we gonna bounce above this 15-minute and stay above and go up into this 1 hour supply zone? We're gonna see. We got about 20 minutes in this 1 hour candle, but we're gonna see. Yeah, we might go higher. I think that's the bounce. Yeah, let me get into this trade. I think that's the bounce. Get into the trade. Bring my stop to the lows. And if not, then, you know, might retrace back. We'll see. Not gonna risk too much on this trade. Unless I get clear confirmation that we might pop through this. That's the only way, especially with volume. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. We also got a 5 minute right here that I did not see. This can change everything. This could change everything. This could change everything. I gotta see this get disrespected. That's the only way I go into the longs even harder. I gotta see this get disrespected. Hold up. My computer laggy. I don't like that. Alright. Are we breaking through that? I'm gonna add in that. I took off. Oh, I didn't mean to add. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. There we go. Hold on. I didn't mean to add more. Hold up. Wait a minute. I got one runner, but dang, it changed my spot so much. Goodness. Hey, I didn't mean to I didn't mean to add more. I'm tripping. I just wanted it to hit that 1 hour and see what happens because we can shoot down fast. So, all right, guys, I got one runner in here right now. One runner. Let me put my stop below this 5 minute. My apologies. I'm over here doing retail mistakes. All right. All right, so we up 286. See if we can pump a little higher. Let's see where we might be going. Are we gonna continue to go higher? All right, we do got this liquidity level a lot above our heads right here. So I'm gonna put this right here. Probably reach for that right there. So I might get out at 19.095. That's my TP. That's what I'm gonna let the runner go to. 95. But if we get a retracement, hey, I might get into more longs. Just to see that we're pushing into this 1 hour. I might get into some more longs. Hold up. Let's go. Come on. Hey, everybody in chat. We up long. We in the money. We are in the money. All right, so a quick lesson. So we broke the Dorito. As y'all can see, our Dorito. We broke the Dorito. All right, on a 1 hour. 15 minute. We broke the 15-minute supply zone. All right, broke the 15-minute supply zone. Boom. Cool. Ran into another supply zone on a 5-minute. I needed to see that break. I needed to see that break. Shot right through it. Got into the longs. Got some profits. Just a quick scalp. Nothing too crazy. Just a quick scalp. Just a quick little scalpy scalp. This market can go sideways. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This can be a sideways market because we have so much movement in the last couple of days that we can still be going sideways to gather some more liquidity and gather some more, some more movement. Because the market can start collecting more data. We could really sit like this all day. Like we can move maybe 100 points and then just still move sideways. So we definitely got to be mindful of that. All right, so we bouncing off this level right here. Does this mean more longs? Let me see. Definitely more longs. Yo, how's it going? What's up, Jindy? It's going good. It's going really good. I can't complain. And I'm not gonna get off just because I see my profits. I'm gonna just keep trading, y'all. I need that practice. I need that screen time. But I'm not gonna trade all day. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade just enough to. I might just try to. My goal for the day is 1400. That's my goal for the day. So I'm gonna just keep doing that. My TP is right here. By the way, I'm sorry if I don't have it. TP1. Well, actually, this is TP2. I took out partials. TP2. Because we got some strong stops ahead of above us right now. So I want to make sure I take out at that moment because I feel like once we get to that TP2, that market gonna sell off. You know what? I'm gonna put my stop at break even. This is a risk-free trade. What am I doing? Risk-free trade. All right, let's see what kind of music we got. What am I doing? All right, y'all. All right, so we are up 280. All right, so we did get stopped out. And that's cool. We got stopped out. We're seeing a retracement back. See if there's any levels that I might be missing. Big retracement, big retracement, big retracement. Ooh, big retracement, big retracement. Come on, get back, get back, get back. All right, we are moving sideways. We're moving sideways. Once again, it's looking like a scalper's market right now. Most definitely. Yes, it is. It's looking like a scalper's market. That is so true. So true. Definitely scalper's markets. Are the buyers starting to slow down? Nah, probably not. Looking like a scalper's market. Hey, you right, Jindy. You right, Jenny. Jindy. Gotta definitely start sitting on hands more often, cause man, I could have just put my stop a little lower. I'm not even gonna be honest with y'all. I could at least put my stop and let it ran. But hey, we did take profit. We did hit first TP. We'll be taking another trade soon. I want to see what happens right here. We about to hit this first TP, the second TP. And we hit it. All right, guys, we hit it. All right. This market is blasting off. Oh my goodness. We are in this 1 hour supply zone. As y'all can see, we already tapped in it before on the 14th, which was yesterday. We tapped into it, came back for the more of the liquidity. So we're coming back up to the highs. We're gonna see which way we might continue to go. I think we might go for that previous day high. We might go for that previous day high. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Or we can get a reversal. We don't know. We're gonna see. This market is moving sideways to me. This is a sideways market. What would we gonna do? What are we doing? What are we doing right here? What's the move? Would this be a good place to take a short if the what y'all think? What levels do y'all have? Y'all have any levels or any like direction maybe? They're like, no, we watching you. That's why we watching you. All right. Be honest with y'all, we might start moving sideways. Cause we are in the key level. We're already up. We already caught that bounce off the 15-minute. Boom. See the 15-minute right here? 15-minute, boom. Let me get rid of this 5. There's no point of even keeping that. Bounce off the 15-minute, took the longs, had one runner, and then it stopped us out. Break even. So we up 280 on that. For the most part, I I don't know. I don't really see where we might go. We might just continue to go forward, or we might go back. We might go down. I don't know. We're gonna see, depending on the volume of the longs. Honestly, I might take my profits on this account and switch accounts. That's what I might do. We continue to grind higher. And remember, don't fight the trend. That's one of the rules you don't want to ever do, is fight the trend. Unless you know for a fact reversal coming. If a reversal is coming, don't fight that trend. This thing, like right now, we could be hitting all kind of stops. Like right now, stops all day. But this thing can continue to pump. So just don't get into a short just because you see, oh, we're hitting liquidity, we're hitting stops. Let's get into a short because now everybody's going to retrace. Yo, this thing can continue to pump if it wants to. That's the thing about the Nazi. It does what it wants, man. You don't even have to follow no rules. None. NASDAQ don't follow no rules. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Right back to it. All right, so are we rejecting? Let's see. Anyways, look, back to it, to the Lord Jesus Christ. He knew everything. He knew everything you would do before you were born, and he still called you. Remember, he's not finished with you, and he will never, ever abandon you. So always call on the Lord, and he will answer you. Remember that. Turn back to him. And remember this, guys. Always love your neighbors. Pray for the ones that prosecute you. May the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with you all. And I pray that the Holy Spirit is with you all. I pray for peace and blessings upon you and your family. So make sure you're giving thanks to the Lord, supplication to the Lord, giving your worries, your problems to the Lord. Always. And he will establish your plans. Lean not on your own understanding, but acknowledge him and he will direct your path, okay? Always. Give it to God. It's easy to get so caught up into the money. It's easy until you realize that that's not even the most important thing. It's just a distraction. All right, like I said, y'all, we're gonna sit on hands, cause not for long. I'm gonna take another trade. I'm just trying to see where the market may go at this point, cause we at a key level. So I'm just trying to make sense of like what's going on right now. Okay, all right. Change of plans. All right, so look, everybody, look. We have on a 4 hour, 4 minutes. On a 1 hour, 4 minutes. On a 30-minute, 4 minutes. On a 15 minutes, 4 minutes. We're gonna wait 14 minutes. I mean, not 14, 4 minutes to see what the next camera's gonna print for the whole time frame. And we are pushing. And like Jindy said, this is a scalping market. We just tapped into some stops and everything is just indecisive. Anybody that's trading right now is retail trader. Literally. Because there's no big moves right now. The volume just died out so fast. But we did catch that move at the bottom right here at the 15-minute supply zone. So we're just gonna wait till those 4 minutes to come up. Once those 4 minutes pass up, which in 30 minutes, $3 minutes and 30 seconds is the next candle's gonna print. So make sure that you're not taking no trade right now, because we are indecisive right now. Indecisive market. Deontay. Just gonna wait. I don't know, something telling me just have patience. I could be leaning on my own understanding right now and be like, I'm gonna take a trade because it's going long. Let's go get some longs, right? Take a long and it just shoot down. Bow. Lost. But something in my heart is telling me, be patient. Follow your rules. Stay disciplined. I can give y'all three. You know what? I'm gonna give y'all 3 tips right now. 3 tips on this market. Remember, tip number 1, patient pays. Patience pays. Number 2, always set a stop on your plays. Every time you get into the market and you fill an order, set a stop. Always set a stop. All right. And number 3, take it easy. I don't know. Just take it easy. You don't even have to rush. Let the market come to you. Don't rush the market. You can't make the market move. You can't. Let the market come to you. Set your zones. You know, we broke out the Dorito. Can y'all see the Dorito? See if I can name it Dorito. No, I can't name it on this. All right, we broke out this Dorito right here. Boom. This can be still this can be I'm sorry, I just saw something. This can be direction for the long. So breaking out the Dorito going long can determine more long pattern, more longs to come. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I was trading. Oh, you were trading London session for an hour and just gave out free liquidity. I'm being extra careful right now. Dang, Jindy. Gotta be careful on that liquidity, man. Gotta be careful. You don't wanna be the bait. You don't wanna be the you don't wanna be the how would they say, the trap. Don't be the trap, man. There's traps everywhere. There's always a trap. The market is looking who it can take out and who it can fill in. Always looking for who it can fill in. Make sure you follow in smart money, big money. Follow where the big money's going. Okay. All right. So it looks like buyers can be slowing down. By the way, I don't follow I don't follow any I don't even put volume on my charts. I read straight price action. Sometimes I want that depth of market too, man. I really want those extra indicators and those expensive Sierra charts. I want that stuff, man. Those things are nice. I would love Sierra charts. Stuff is too expensive. We don't spend $300 a month. Heck nah. Y'all can keep that. All right, we could possibly be breaking down. We'll see. We'll see. Is this a potential break? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We have a fair value gap right here. Bam. Fair value gap. We also have this 15-minute that we broke out of. So this is my little my method, as y'all can see. I'm gonna make sure y'all can see it right. All right, so y'all can see it. We broke the Dorito. Yeah, orange line. Dorito pattern been broken to the longs. 15-minute. Make this blue for y'all so y'all can see it even better. 15-minute. We broke through the 15-minute. Okay. We created not a daily fair value gap. Goofy. We just created the 3-minute fair value gap, which we can retrace into for a potential long. Actually, that's not a 3 minutes. That's a 15-minute. Ooh, that's even better. The higher the time frame, the better the chances of a bigger play. 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap. Also with a 15-minute supply zone, which that could be a potential for bounce. So I'm looking to catch a long in this area. The reason why is because we broke the formation. We broke this this pendant formation, right? We broke through it. Boom. My computer's acting stupid. We broke through the formation. We broke through the 15-minute. We created a 15-minute fair value gap. If we retrace and come back down, I'm going for the longs. I gotta see formation though. I wanna see the market develop. I wanna see it constantly reject from going short that it wants to go long. Then I will go into my contracts. Set my stops at a perfect, not a perfect, but at a decent, stop and call it a day. That's the move. We're gonna wait for a retracement. That's the move. Cause I see that it broke. It could go long, but actually it could go shorter because, okay, 2 reasons why I want to go long is one right here. One, we broke through this high right here. Can y'all see this high? Let me make sure y'all can see it. Yeah. We broke through this high right here, but we didn't pass this high. But that's okay. I mean, that's okay. At least we broke through one high. That's how I'm taking it. Okay? Look at a 4 hour. 4 hour just printed. 1 hour just printed. 30-minute just printed. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Depending on how it respects. So pretty much based off how the market respects on this retracement right here, if it either break down or also another thing. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We also have this 5-minute that we can bounce off of. So my whole bias is to still go long. If we start to retrace to the shorts, I'm still looking for a long. Now let's say that it breaks all of my zones. And if it starts disrespecting all of the zones, I'm going for the shorts. I'm changing my bias. If it says, hey, your zones are trash, I'm breaking every zone. 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute supply zone, 5-minute demand zone. I'm literally going for the shorts if it breaks everything. That's how I'm gonna play this. Strictly price action. But it looks like we continue to look at it. We got a 15-minute doji. 15-minute doji. And let's see. Ooh, wait a minute. We might go long still. 15-minute doji. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna see. Only way I can see us going longer from this point if we break a structure. That's the only way. If we don't break structure at this point, if we don't break structure right here, we're going back short. We're going down for the retracement. From the looks of it, yeah. We're gonna see. We gonna see. And I don't like trading past 10 o'clock anyway. The volume starts dying out. All right, what are we doing? Look at a 15-minute. Had a feeling we was gonna move sideways. The volume died out. Everybody's looking for the short. Everybody's looking for retracement. That's what everybody's mind is at right now. But the market is still going long. The market can say, hey, I didn't print past a certain high, but it still can push higher because everybody's looking for that short. Hold up. Shorts will come in soon, y'all. Be patient. It will come in. I'm gonna try 3 short. I'm gonna try 3. I wanna gauge the market. I just wanna see. I'm getting in early, by the way. This is an early entry. Okay. Add one more. Okay. Still wants to push. I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna get out of this. Okay. The only reason I got into this trade, the reason why I got into this trade is because on this 15 minute, I like this doji candle. I like this doji candle. I like the fact that, hold up, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it was gonna push. Never mind. I misread. I misread. Never mind. I like on a 30 minute that we rejected so high off this 30 minute, even at this point where we stay below this. I mean, on this 15 minute, this doji candle pushed into the liquidity, but stayed below on this 15 minute candle right here. I like that. And even though we wasn't pushing, I was trying to get into a short off this block right here. So it didn't want to do it. Like I said, I knew it wasn't going to do it. I had a feeling, but I was trying to get into the market short. But it's okay though. Lost some of my profits, but it's okay. That bounce is lethal. Goodness. What are we gonna do? Are we going long? And also the reason why I didn't get in is because how we were rejecting off this TP, which is this how we was rejecting off of this liquidity line. Stops. I was thinking that the market was going to shoot down because of the rejection. We just kept, look, one rejection, another rejection, another rejection. So that's the reason why I got into the shorts with 5 micros. Yeah, it gets tricky, you know. Sometimes you gotta really. It's all about execution. You can have the best strategy. Oh my goodness, but your execution gotta be perfect, perfect. Market doesn't want to give up the shorts. Market wants to continue to pump. We have on the 4 hour. We didn't even break into no highs. Interesting market. Interesting. Man, we not really break. We moving sideways. Oh my goodness. Talk about sideways. Pay attention. All right, let's see. Are we gonna push longer? We're gonna see. How we respected that zone. Yep, knew it. Once they break this and it stays above, I'm going long. I want to do this full time. Where do I start? T Smith, just look at some trading videos on TikTok, bro. Just start looking at the basics. Understand the candles and wicks and indices and different, commodities and stuff. That's how you gonna learn, brother. Just kind of start with the basics. Learn about what the market is, what it does, why does it do what it do. So and then you find you a prop firm to kind of save yourself from spending so much money. You get your prop firm, you get your assimilated account, get funded after passing assimilated account, and start taking some of the profits out and putting it into a live account, your own personal brokerage account. I mean, your own live account. And that's how you do that. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. We're pushing into some more liquid. Let me see. Wait a minute. I didn't notice that. I gotta start paying more attention. Yeah, we're gonna push into this for sure. Crazy. You gotta start paying more attention, my boy. My boy. You gotta start paying more attention. More attention. Oh my goodness. It's a 5-minute right here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, come on, come on. Low, low, low. There we go. Start getting choppy. Here we go. Everybody that bought right there. Man, that market vicious. Ooh. Rejection on that 5-minute candle is crazy. All right, here we go, y'all. What we gonna do? What this market gonna do? I mean, I could wait for the retracement, honestly. I mean, I don't have to necessarily get into this market. Ooh, look at that candle. Dang, it retraced off that perfectly. Everybody that bought, they really thought. Here we go. Potential bounce. Potential. Yes, sir. Are we gonna break? Is this the break? Let's see. For the shorts. Or is it just a fake out? I want to do this full time. Oh, you already said that. I like that red candle. I like that hammer right there. Yo, that 5-minute hammer. We can really start seeing some retracement. I just need to find a way in. I just need to find a way in. And this might be my way in right here. This might be my way in. Let's see. Unless you're doing great, bro. Thanks. Thanks, Deontay. Appreciate the love and support. It can get tricky right here. We moving, we're grinding high, but it's just, I'm not trying to take no trades and all of a sudden we just drop like 100 ticks. Heck nah, man. That's gonna hurt my heart. I'm just waiting for confirmation, to be honest, y'all. I really am. If I don't get confirmation, I'm just not gonna take the trade. Oh, here we go. Is this consolidate? I mean, is this validation for the shorts for retracement? Let's try to gauge it with two. Actually, no. No. Or this market don't want to give. If it don't break, just go long. If it don't break, that's all I'm gonna say. If you're gonna go long, if you're gonna take a trade, just be careful. There we go. There we go. Shit, boy, it didn't want to give. Oh man, so stubborn. This market gets stubborn fast. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. News? News? Any news? Hold up. We having news? Hold on. What we got news? Nah, not really. Dang, why so volatile? Wait for the retracement. Wait for the pullback. Dang, that pullback was vicious. All right, I gotta pay attention now, because this is what I was looking for. And that market did not want to give that entry, bro. That shit crazy. What was my plan? My plan was to go long. I am not gonna go short. I'm gonna wait till this market pull back, because that's gonna be a good chance to build into the longs. Unless we just start shooting all the way down to the shorts. You know what I'm saying? Like if we shooting all the way down, then yeah, I don't want to do that. So we gonna see what this market gonna give us. Oh my goodness, bro, the shorts came in so fast. It didn't even give me a chance to get in. Yo, tell me, man, this is crazy. It didn't even give me a shot. It was like, no short, no long. I mean, no short. Ooh, what we doing? What we doing? Let me get rid of this pendant. I'm not liking it no more. I don't like it no more. Let me get rid of it. I don't like it no more. Wow, that drop, man. We dropped. Bro, how we just drop 150 points like that? Jeez. This is what I told y'all. Your problem is not your strategy. Your problem is execution. It's everybody's problem. Execution. Every single time it's execution. Ay. Like how perfect do the play gotta be? But that's why you gotta get in, set a stop, and accept the loss. That's how you reward it. That's how the market responds. All right, like I said, we might come back down to what I just said. We might come down into this 5 minute and see if we might catch a bounce, a big A bounce. So look, last red candle. If y'all paying attention, look, last red candle came down, stayed above this 15 minute. Last red candle stayed above the 15 minute. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. No way we gonna bounce right here. Heck nah. Let me see. Yeah, I might try some shorts. Let's try. If not, then it'll be a loss. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. As soon as I got in my computer lag, I don't like that. I can't get into a laggy market. Oh my goodness, bro. Why you do that? Why when I get into a trade you start lagging? Why? Can't take that laggy. Man, we bouncing at my level too. Goodness. My goodness. Set my stop at the low for 100. And that lag. The reason why I was going to take a short, is to bounce into that 5 minute, but that wasn't my plan. I kept switching my bias. Sorry about that. Dang, as soon as I get into this market, it starts lagging. I tell y'all, this market can be easy, but the execution got to be there every time. If the execution not there, then you have no trade. Then there's no trade. Hold up. I can't even see the wicks. What in the world? Let me reverse this. I'm gonna reverse this for potential going short more. And we're hitting some key levels. All right, it's tricky. Damn, man, this is tricky. Cause I want to get in. I want to get in the longs, but man, I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient. I gotta be patient. All right, get in there. No, get me in. That's it. Why so laggy? Stop lagging. Nah. Come on, baby. Add. Go down to that level. No, they're not. They're not playing today. I had to adjust myself. I'm scalping this market. I still want the longs, but I'm just scalping it because man, this market can get crazy. I could barely even see the movement. Don't like that. I don't like that. So volatile that I can barely even flip through the different time frames. This market can get my nerves bad sometimes, I swear. But anyways, look, get back to it. Hold up, wait, what am I doing? Like I said, I'm tripping. Gotta give it to the Lord. Every time. Give it to the Lord. Make sure you give thanks to the Lord that He will direct your path. Alright? No stress, no worry. We're not gonna put the emotions in it. This is what practice is. We gotta continue to practice on our emotions, especially myself, man. My emotions do come out. I would see a trade and still like not execute correctly. So we're gonna make sure we stick onto our emotions, making sure that we're not falling into the trap of the idea of that I'm wrong or it's not going the right way. Doesn't even matter. That's why we're here. All right, I'm getting out this trade. I'm gonna get out of it. Down 100. That's cool. That's cool. 1 minute into the 15-minute prints. This is what we're gonna do. 31 minutes until 1 hour done. 1 minute until 30 minutes done. We tapped into some liquidity. Hold on. Am I going long? Let's try long. Since they didn't want to tap into my 5 minute, that's cool. One long. Since we are respecting that 15 minute, what are we doing? All right. You gonna add me more contracts? Man, this market is so wonky. Oh my goodness. I could barely even see the movement. Come on, y'all. Give me a chance to even see the market. Shout out to everybody that's watching, standing in the chat, watching this play. Shout out to everybody that's in the market, that's in this trade. Hopefully, we pray that we stay in this money. Let's go. Man, this market do not want to give. Oh my goodness. Damn. What's taking so long? Jeez. I feel like I was waiting forever just to get that move. Man. Trust me, that's what I'm saying. And I get nerve-wracked because my nerves get bad when it comes to, I can't see the movements because my computer starts getting like really, like I just took out a whole mini. I could have held this mini and been up, but hey, it's okay. It just, when the market starts getting choppy and I'm starting seeing red and green, I can't even see the market move. That kind of throws me off. Like, man, like what's going on? I definitely need to get a new computer, y'all. I really do. I really do. This is not gonna cut it. I could have held that trade. I'm gonna break even. We just gonna hold this. Nah, my name is from Ghana, but nah, I'm not at all, bro. Nah, Kamel. Man, this market here, boy. Boy. All right, let's see. Like, it's so laggy. What happened to the KNA videos? Last one 6 years ago? Last one 6 years ago? Oh, we on KNA. What was on KNA Family? It was KNA Family, which was like 7 months ago. But no, I usually stream. I mostly stream on this one, trading videos. That's mainly what I do on here. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Tricky day, tricky day, tricky day, up and down. Quest is very determined and focused when it comes to market trade. I respect that. Hey, I try to be. I try to be. It's too. Man, this market can get annoying sometimes. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got you pressing everything over and over again. Maybe that stop is too tight. We'll see. Maybe that stop is too tight. We'll see. Okay, okay. Is it saying that it wants to go lower? Course not. Course not. You try to trick me. That's crazy. All right, I'm having a hard time understanding which way to go. I think I'm caught into the sideways liquidity. Let me get out of this. I think I'm gonna get out of this. I'm not feeling this. It's tough, man. It's tough. I can't even decide which way it wants to go. I think I'm losing my footing. I gotta step back and retrace and see. Try one more guy. Man, my computer is, man, goodness gracious, man. I gotta get a new computer. That was the move. Man, it's so funny when I get into the move. It doesn't perform the way I like to see it like perform. And then as soon as I get out, it takes off. As if like it just knew that I was gonna get in. So crazy. So crazy. I gotta remember not to chase price, not to chase movement, but wait for confirmation. Toughest thing about this market. Toughest thing about this market. You really gotta constantly watch for confirmation. Almost $50. All right, let's reset. I'm gonna reset. I missed so many moves, so many good moves off of just getting scared out the market. Let's reset. About to reset now. Get this right. All right, we hitting the level right here, key level. No more playing around. This is crazy. This market can really scare you out fast. I just didn't like how it was gauging. I just didn't like how I just don't like certain wicks. I don't like certain zones that was tapped into that didn't bounce. I don't like that, man. A lot of traps. Trip me up for real, big time. Now he wants to pump all the way to the tippy top. Crazy. And you still got a minute left. That's what getting me. We still got a minute left until in 40 seconds. In 40 seconds this 15-minute candle prints. In 40 seconds, and this thing can literally just go back down in a heartbeat. This is a scalper's market, just like Hindi. Who said that? Jindy. This is a scalper's market. But the thing is, I can't scalp when my computer's acting like that. See, I like, why is it doing that? Come on now. I'm not even. It's okay though. Don't risk too much. 3 seconds. 15-minute candle prints. 15-minute candle just printed. We are moving sideways. This is a scalper's market. And Jenny said it. Jindy and Deontay. Man, so much sideways action. Where are we going? I'm gonna wait for a retracement. All right, look, this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna wait for a retracement. We're gonna wait for a retracement back for the longs. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Never mind. Never mind. It did it on its own. Look at this. Look at this volatility. Y'all seen that drop? Yo, this market is crazy. This market is crazy today. Wow. It's here to hurt people. We're gonna squeeze. Probably out this spot right here. I'm gonna add one right here. Unless we come back down to that 5 minute. I gotta make sure that I'm paying attention. I gotta make sure that I'm not missing something. Remember, the market can do what it wants. Load. Oh my goodness. I swear it feels like when you get into a certain trade, it knows. Okay. Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know, computer. That it's running overheat. Whew. Yo, this is nasty. Nasty price action. Okay, I get it. I get the volume is high, but dang, do you gotta take forever to load? Goodness. Man, that price action sucks. I guess it wants to go down. And I guess not. That is crazy. Yo, that is crazy. Let's go. Go long. Traps. Traps. We in the middle of the range. Traps. Let's go. Bunch of traps. Ugh, can't stand them. $15, $13. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a stressful one. It's been a stressful market for me, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's been stressful. And I'm trying my best. Do I want to take out partials right here? If it can just load, only if I can see it better. Come on. Just take off. Stop trying to make me press a button and then as soon as I press, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This price action is yeah, yeah. Bro, this price action is so annoying. So annoying. Like, come on. What are we waiting on? We both, yo, it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, this is, bro, this level is so good. I'm thinking longs. But the fact that it doesn't want to give it is what getting me. It doesn't even want to give it, bro. Like, it's so weird. And I bet you if I got out right now, if I got out of this market, watch it just do-do-do-do. I might just have to get out, bro. Or accept the loss for the day. Accept the loss. Like, I could take my partials, but I don't wanna short myself because this could be the trade. "25 seconds on this candle. Like, come on. 5-minute pump. Let's go. 30-second. 1 hour. Unbelievable. Yo, this thing better take off right now. This is a break. Literally, yo. You gotta be joking me. Yo. It's a lot of fake outs. Yo. Yo, this thing is trying to fake everybody out. I knew it was gonna go for them longs. So why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Yeah. All right, all right. I'm back. I'm back at break even. I'm about to get, yo. I'm about to get off this thing. But this is gonna go long. This is long. I'm gonna hold this one micro, and thank God, oh, thank you, Lord, that I was able to save myself from blowing this account. Yo, like for real. Yo, Jindy, bro, this price action is trash. Oh my goodness. Like how obvious the play gotta be before it to take off. Talk about terrible price action. Oh my goodness, bro. We fought for it to go back, bro. We fought. I was literally down 1,000. We fought. Here come the red. Jenny, I tuned back in and we're both down. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. It wants to go long, man. It wants to. We got okay. Look, we got 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I'm gonna take one more trade, and I'm keeping that stop tight. If this market do not do the move that I wanted to do, I'm getting out. I'm just saying. Just saying. And just gonna take my little, profits that we broke even on. Look, go up. Come on, this is it. Shoot up. All right, y'all. Look, I'm about to get off. My computer, I'm just gonna break even for the day. All right, I'll see y'all later, man. I'm gonna break even for